Hey guys, Scott with G Reviews here to review another cover for my car. This time around, it's for snow. And I'm going to be doing pretty extensive testing on this cover. And this is the Leader Accessories X Guard car cover. And it's the 200-inch version, and it's also the 5-layer version. Let's do it. The question is, will this guy handle snow? And I'm talking a lot of snow. I'm up here in East Freetown, Massachusetts, and there's a little bit of snow on the ground right now. But recently we had a snowstorm, and I had about 6 inches on top of my car. And I'm a Floridian. This is kind of a pain in the butt, and I wanted to make it a little easier on myself, so I bought a couple car covers for the Corolla and the Infiniti. So hopefully next time it snows, all I'll have to do is kind of take the cover off, and all the snow and the ice and everything will come off. I won't have to scrape the windshield. We'll see how it works. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to time myself trying to install this guy. Again, I've never taken it out of the package. It does come with this nice carrying case, but as you can see, this thing is brand new, and it comes in actually a completely airtight container. Obviously, I guess it's probably better for shipping, cheaper to ship because it's so small. I'm assuming once I cut this thing open, it's gonna just go everywhere, go crazy. So anyway, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start the clock, and I'm gonna put this thing on, and we'll see how long it takes. So let's do that. All right, so let's start the clock right now. Alright guys, well, I think I put the thing on. Took about 7 minutes total, and again, that was from cutting the bag open to, well, I did cut it when we read the instruction manual, but anyway, it does feel thicker than the last cover that I had. This is, again, this the upgrade is the 5-layer rather than there's still a 3-layer as well. This is the 5-layer one. They say that this is waterproof, snowproof, windproof. This one versus the last one that I had, again, it feels thicker, feels like a better material. This has elastic bands, or not, sorry, not elastic, Velcro. It has Velcro on all 4 corners, basically kind of here and here, and you connect them under each corner of the car to secure. I mean, I'm really trying, and obviously it did come out there, but you really do have to try to get the cover off. So we'll see, because we have pretty strong winds up here. We'll see if that holds. And I think the actual elastic band itself around the bottom of the car is very good quality. It feels very tight, so hopefully that'll keep the cover on. The second thing that I noticed is it does have a grommet here. It does have this little hole, and what I'm just now realizing is that actually you do have this strap here, which is pretty cool. And what you do is you take this, and we have to actually attach the clip to it, and then that'll actually secure it to the middle of the car too. So actually this thing should be really secure once we actually put everything on. So that's the actual cover itself. It does have a little tie here to tie the cover up, and then here's the clip inside this bag. So go ahead and put the clip on, and then report back to you once that's done. Alright guys, well, I finished. I attached the strap underneath, and you just have to basically, it's got it has a long side and a short side in terms of the straps go. You got to attach the clip obviously to both sides, but the right side of the cover has the long strap, and the left side has the short strap. I'll go ahead and show you that now. Alright, so I'll just give you a quick walk around of the cover itself. So you've got the front section, which has the leader, has the leader symbol on it. So again, this is on a Corolla, and I must say it is pretty tight. And the Corolla is apparently 186 inches long. So if you've got a bigger car than this, you know, you might have an issue. I don't know. We'll see about the Infiniti, because the Infiniti is a little bit longer than the Corolla. But anyway, so we'll go through this real quick. So you have, again, you've got these Velcro straps on each of the corners. You've got a nice thick bungee or strap there. And then we'll go around to the side and show you the strap system. So you do have a nice plastic grommet here if you want to put a lock on the cover, if you live somewhere where that's a concern. And then I'll go ahead and show you, so the strap system here. So again, we've got a short strap on the side, and then we do have a long strap that goes over to this side, and then we've got this little clip right here to secure the cover down, and that's what the cover looks like. Apparently this strap is supposed to go in the trunk, however, I just didn't end up putting it in there for whatever reason, but it does feel like a very good cover. It feels like a thick cover. It doesn't seem like it's going to tear, because on some covers I've seen you can actually almost see the car through the cover. On this one, I cannot see the color of the car. I can't see anything. So it does look like a nice thick cover, and hopefully this will make snow removal a whole heck of a lot easier when it does snow and I need to use the car. So alright guys, so this is with the cover on the car. It just snowed all last night and this morning. As you can see, it is warming up a little bit, so there's some water coming off of it, but I'll go ahead and take the cover off and show you what both cars look like once we go ahead and take the covers off. Alright, so this is the car after pulling the cover off. This way, got to shake the cover off, but the car itself is pretty much good to go. So that's the leader car cover 200-inch 5-layer. So check it out on Amazon. Anyway, this has been Scott with G-Reviews. Please like and subscribe the channel. Please hit that like button and notification bell to receive more G-Reviews from good guys, good reviews, G-Reviews. Thanks for watching, guys. Take it easy.